Now that your system has been installed, you should be getting an email shortly from Enphase that will have a subject line similar to this: activate your online solar monitoring account. From here, you will need to click on this button to activate your account now, and you'll be instructed to do a password reset. On this password reset, you'll then get a new email. They'll notify you from Enphase saying that a password reset request has been submitted, and to click on this reset password link enclosed. And then after you input your new password, you should be able to activate your account and then be able to see your solar production and your system array information as well. And that should allow you to sign in for the first time too. So you can see the overall production, how much we've been able to produce, the environmental impact, the status that it is working properly on the top left corner as well. The great thing is it should update about every 15 minutes. Within here, you should be able to notice the amount of energy that you have produced across a specific time period as well, and even be able to see it by the array information too. And so you should be able to see exactly how many panels you have and which panels are performing either the best or the worst. One thing we would recommend as well is with regards to your overall production, please look at it in terms of an aggregate for an annual basis. The time of month, the temperature, the weather can all play a significant factor with regards to overall solar production. And so the biggest thing to look out for would be any black arrays. So if I notice that any of my panels have been black, that's a red flag where you want to contact us to investigate and check for service as well. And so if you have any questions, please let us know. But the app is fairly straightforward. It gives you just a quick summary in terms of how much your system has been producing, a snapshot into a detail of your individual array, and more details into that overall energy as well. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your project manager. Hope you have a wonderful day, and it's been a pleasure. Thank you.